We're in the kitchen with
Daddy.
Coltrane. You ready to make turkey burgers?
Yeah.
So take it, make it round, and then we smush it down.
Let me try.
Not bad. Show them what it looks like.
Sorry.
Right? We don't smash it too much.
That's-
Keep it nice and light. Now remember, don't press it too much. You do it. Soft. Salt. Excellent. Now show them what it looks like.
It looks like a mud.
Ta-da!
Like a pizza. Yeah.
It's turkey burger!
The pizza.
Next, we're gonna go wash our hands.
Yeah.
Hands clean? Show them. All right, now let's cook them. And right before we cook it, that's when we season. When you put them in the pan, you want to put it facing away from you so it doesn't splash on you. Like this. All right, the moment of truth. Is it good?
Delicious pizza.
Delicious pizza.
Mm-hmm.
It's turkey burger!